Guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learning Excel. Here is an example of a graphic. It's shown two very different unit numbers. So one, it's shown a trend, and the other, because it's so small compared to the other data, it just become a flat line. To handle this, we could use another type of chart type, that is combo chart. To create a combo chart, first block the data you want, select insert, and to select this chart you want, and then we choose combo here. In this type of chart, we can have a different, not only the axis but also the type of chart. For example, in here for the unit, we use a cluster column and the amount in line. Let's see if we use another secondary axis, that is the left hand side is an amount and the right hand side is the unit, or the other way around. So the left side is in unit and the right hand side is the amount. So this is more makes sense, having to graph, and you could see the trend, it's similar. Anyway, that's how to use it. You could use it in any other way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hope it is helped. See you again on the next episode. Have a nice day, guys.